Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, belonging to Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajodha. We are discussing class 12th related chapter 5th. The topic's name is continuity and differentiability. We are discussing exercise 5.3 which is related to implicit function differentiation that I have introduced yesterday. We are proceeding with our question 6. Here we have to find dy by dx. So first of all, this is the question: x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. This is our question, and in solution we have to write first of all on differentiating with respect to x. Now we can see here that in these two terms the product formula will be applicable. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to do the differentiation of x cube, then d by dx means differentiation with respect to x of x square y, and then differentiation with respect to x of xy square, then differentiation with respect to x of y cube is equal to differentiation of constant. That you already know, the differentiation of constant value is 0. So here product formula will be applicable in these two terms. So let me write that formula first of all. Applied formula, that is d by dx of first function into second function is equal to first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. This is our applied formula. Here we have to apply this formula in these two terms, this one and this one. These two terms are having different values, x square y, and here it is xy square. So we have to apply product formula here. Now see, differentiation of x cube, ये आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं कि x क्यूब का डिफ्रेंशिएशन करने में हम x रेज़ टू द पावर n का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, दैट इज n x रेज़ टू द पावर n minus 1, दैट इज 3 x रेज़ टू द पावर 3 minus 1 which is 2. Now plus first function into differentiation of second means dy by dx plus second function into differentiation of first, that is x square, plus here again first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first, and here it is differentiation of y cube. So y cube differentiation is 3y square. As I told you, first of all we have to differentiate it with respect to y. So it is 3y square, but we have to differentiate this y also with respect to x. So it will be dy by dx. Y cube differentiation is 3y square. Y cube का अगर हम differentiation करते हैं, because it is also variable, तो वेरिएबल का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हमको करना होता है, तो y क्यूब का डिफ्रेंशिएशन किया तो 3y स्क्वायर आया, और फिर y का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हमने लिखा क्योंकि x के रिस्पेक्ट में लिख रहे हैं तो dy बाई dx लिखा. अगर यहाँ पर देखते हैं हम तो 3x स्क्वायर लिखने के बाद में अगर हम चाहते तो यहाँ पर भी d बाई dx ऑफ x लिख सकते थे, लेकिन d बाई dx ऑफ x 1 होता है तो इसलिए उसको लिखने की यहाँ पर ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. यहाँ हमको उसको dy बाई dx स्पेशली मेंशन करना पड़ता है. इज इक्वल टू differentiation of 81 is 0. So now let us do this complete differentiation. It will be 3x square plus x square dy by dx. Now see, x square differentiation is 2x, so it will be 2xy plus differentiation of y square is 2y into x is 2xy, but here it is dy by dx also, because it is y square differentiation is 2y. Now differentiation of y is what? Dy by dx. So this is the specific point where we have to remember always that we have to differentiate y with respect to x separately after differentiating this y square, that is 2y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx. Plus, now differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, so we may write y square only here. Now 3y square and then dy by dx, it is equal to 0. So let us take the terms related to dy by dx in LHS only. जो dy by dx से रिलेटेड टर्म्स हैं उनको सबको हम LHS में ही रखते हैं, बाकी की टर्म्स जो विदाउट dy by dx वाली हैं उनको हम LHS से RHS में शिफ्ट करेंगे. सो हियर वी कैन टेक कॉमन डायरेक्टली dy by dx फ्रॉम दिस टर्म एंड दिस टर्म. सो इन ब्रैकेट वी हैव टू राइट x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस 3y स्क्वायर इंटू dy by dx. अब ये 3x स्क्वायर व्हेन वी टेक इट फ्रॉम LHS to RHS, then it will become minus 3x square. This 2xy, that will become negative 2xy, and this plus y square, that will become minus y square. Now we can take minus sign common also from here. So if we take minus sign common, then these terms will become positive. हमने माइनस साइन कॉमन लिया तो ये सब निगेटिव टर्म्स थी, तो सारी टर्म्स पॉजिटिव हो गई ब्रैकेट के अंदर. तो dy by dx की वैल्यू हमको इससे सीधे मिल जाती है. dy by dx इज इक्वल टू, इट विल बी इक्वल टू, ये जो टर्म है, ये तीनों टर्म्स ब्रैकेट में जो लिखी हैं ये यहाँ dy by dx के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो ये इधर डिवीजन में चली जाएंगे RHS में. सो इट विल बी dy by dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3x स्क्वायर plus 2xy plus y square, and in denominator it is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is our answer. This is the conclusion for this question. This question is over now. Now see our question number 7. It is sin square y plus cos xy is equal to k. Here we have to differentiate it first of all with respect to x. So in solution we have to mention on differentiating with respect to x. On differentiating with respect to x, it is the short form with respect to x that I have told you earlier. Now if we differentiate sin square y, let us take it x. Differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x. So we may write it 2 sin y. Differentiation of sin square y is 2 sin y. But differentiation of sin y is also required. D by dx of sin y. This is also required because it is not x. X square differentiation is 2x. But it is not x. It is sin y. So we will have to differentiate this sin y with respect to x again. Plus differentiation of cos xy is minus sin xy, and then differentiation of xy will also be there. मीन्स जब हम इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो साइन स्क्वायर y का हमने 2 sin y लिखा. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट sin y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x अगेन, because it is not in the x square form, it is sin square y, so that's why it is 2 sin y into d by dx of sin y, plus cos xy differentiation is negative sin xy, and then differentiation of xy also is applicable here, and here it is differentiation of k with respect to x, that is differentiation of constant, it will be 0. So here differentiation of sin y is cos y, so it will become 2 sin y and cos y. But this is not sufficient because y also we have to differentiate with respect to x. So we have to write here dy by dx. Plus into minus is minus sin xy, and after that we have to apply here product formula. First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first is equal to differentiation of constant k will be 0. So now this will become, you may write it sin 2y because it is 2 sin y cos y. You may write it sin 2y, and here it is dy by dx with it, and after that minus sin xy with this x, so it will be minus x sin xy dy by dx, and with this minus sign is multiplied by this plus sign, then it will become negative y, because d by dx of x is 1, and then y is multiplied with sin xy, so it will be y into sin xy is equal to 0. Now we have to take only terms related to dy by dx in LHS, so it will be sin 2y minus x sin xy into dy by dx is equal to, this term will become positive if we transpose it from LHS to RHS, so this will become y into sin xy. Now we have to shift the term which is in product with dy by dx in RHS from LHS, so dy by dx is equal to what? We will mention it there. So dy by dx is equal to y sin xy upon, in denominator this term will be shifted because here it is in product, so it will be shifted in denominator of RHS, so it will be sin 2y minus x sin xy. This is our result. Once more I am explaining this to you because it is somewhat complex for you. On differentiating with respect to x, सबसे पहले हमको विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है, तो साइन स्क्वायर y का डिफरेंशिएशन हमने 2 sin y लिख दिया. अगर ये x होता तो x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x लिखते हम, तो साइन स्क्वायर y है इस वजह से इसको 2 sin y लिखना पड़ा. अगर ये साइन y होता तो सीधे साइन y का डिफरेंशिएशन हम लिख देते, लेकिन ये चूंकि साइन स्क्वायर y है तो इसको 2 sin y इसका डिफरेंशिएशन लिखना होगा. देन वी विल हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट दिस sin y विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट x. अगर ये x होता तो हम x स्क्वायर का 2x लिख करके छोड़ देते. ये तो sin y है, तो sin y का भी हमको डिफरेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा x के रिस्पेक्ट में. प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ cos xy, तो हमने माइनस sin xy लिखा. लेकिन ये xy है, ये केवल x होता तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी, x का डिफरेंशिएशन x के रिस्पेक्ट में 1 होता तो आगे लिखने की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं थी. लेकिन चूंकि ये xy है तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन हमको अलग से करना पड़ेगा. d by dx of xy is equal to differentiation of that constant which is given in RHS. So d by dx of k. Now see, cos y differentiation is, sorry, sin y differentiation is cos y. It is sin y. Differentiation of sin y with respect to y is cos y. Now we have to differentiate y also with respect to x. So it will be dy by dx. So this term will become 2 sin y cos y dy by dx minus sin xy. And here product will be applicable because 2 terms are there. So first function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first, and then is equal to 0. So now see, 2 sin y cos y, we may write it sin 2y. So sin 2y dy by dx minus this x is multiplied with sin xy. So x sin xy dy by dx, this minus is multiplied by this positive sign, then negative will be there. This y is multiplied by sin xy, so y sin xy, and d by dx of x is 1, so no need to write it, and is equal to 0. Now we have to take those terms which are related to dy by dx in LHS and the term without dy by dx is shifted to RHS. जो टर्म्स dy by dx से रिलेटेड थी उनको हमने LHS में लिखा और जो टर्म्स विदाउट dy by dx वाली थी उन टर्म्स को हमने RHS में शिफ्ट कर दिया. यहाँ से हम dy by dx कॉमन ले सकते थे, हमने कॉमन लिया. sin 2y माइनस x sin xy ये ब्रैकेट में बचा है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव शिफ्टेड दिस टर्म in RHS. Here it is in numerator, so that it will become in denominator here in RHS. So this is our final answer. This question number 7 is over. Now see our question number 8. It is sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Don't take it that it is sin square x plus cos square x. Otherwise it will become 1 only. It is sin square x here, but here it is cos square y. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate it first of all. On differentiating with respect to x. In solution, we have to mention first of all on differentiating with respect to x. Then what we will get? D by dx of that is sin square x and then plus d by dx of cos square y. After that d by dx of 1. So constant differentiation will be 0. Here again we will deal it as an x. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So this will become 2 sin x. But it is not x, it is sin x. So we will have to differentiate that sin x also with respect to x, because it is function of function. So sin x square, that is 2x, means in place of x we have considered sin x. So x square differentiation is 2 sin x, and now differentiation of sin x also we have to do because it is not x. So differentiation of sin x with respect to x plus differentiation of cos square y, again it is 2 cos y, just like this only, because we are considering it as x. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So it will be 2 cos y in place of x, cos y is there. So it will be 2 cos y and then d by dx of cos y again. Here it is differentiation of constant with respect to x, that is 0. So what we have to do now? Differentiation of sin x with respect to x, that will be cos x. So 2 sin x into cos x. After this minus, because differentiation of cos y with respect to y if we do, then it will be minus sin y. So this will become minus 2 sin y cos y. And with this differentiation of y again with respect to x, because it is not x. If it was x, then d by dx of x is 1. But if it is y, then we have to mention this dy by dx is equal to 0. यहाँ अगर x होता तो cos x का हम माइनस साइन x लिख देते सीधे, और x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हम x के रिस्पेक्ट में करते भी तो वो 1 ही होता, लेकिन चूंकि ये y है तो हमको इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन अलग से यहाँ पर मेंशन करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज dy by dx is equal to 0. Now see what we can do. 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x. 2 sin y cos y, that is sin 2y. dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we can shift this sin 2x from LHS to RHS. So this will become sin 2y dy by dx is equal to, sorry, it is negative sign. So minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x. Now this dy by dx is equal to, this negative sign will be cancelled by this negative sign, sin 2x upon sin 2y, we can say sin 2x upon sin 2y. This is our result. Let me explain it again. On differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of sin x square or sin square x. If we are considering sin x as t, which we were doing in our first exercise, that we were substituting it t and then differentiating it. So t square differentiation, that is 2t. So in place of t, sin x is there. So for that sin x also we have to differentiate. तो हमने इसको अगर t कंसीडर किया तो t स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंशिएशन t के रिस्पेक्ट में 2t होता है, तो यहाँ पर 2 sin x हो जाएगा और फिर हमको इस sin x का भी डिफ्रेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा. तो sin x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन भी हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है इसके साथ. ऐसे ही इसको अगर हमने t कंसीडर किया तो t स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंशिएशन 2t होगा, दैट इज 2 cos y. फिर cos y का भी हमको डिफ्रेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि उसी को हम चेन रूल बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमने d/dx ऑफ cos y किया. अब यहाँ पर कांस्टेंट का डिफ्रेंशिएशन x के रिस्पेक्ट में किया तो कांस्टेंट का डिफ्रेंशिएशन x के रिस्पेक्ट में 0 होता है. इसके बाद में sin x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन x के रिस्पेक्ट में cos x होता है. सो दिस विल बिकम 2 sin x cos x. नाउ डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ cos y, इफ वी वर डूइंग इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, देन इट विल बी माइनस sin y. सो प्लस इंटू माइनस, दैट विल बी माइनस 2 sin y cos y. Then we have to differentiate it with respect to x especially because our basic need is to find dy by dx. So y also we have to differentiate with respect to x. In case of x it will be 1, but in case of y we have to mention dy by dx. In case of x, if we differentiate this x with respect to x, then d by dx of x is 1. So no need to write here, but here it is necessary to write dy by dx is equal to 0. Now this will become sin 2x minus sin 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now if we shift this sin 2x from LHS to RHS, this term will become negative because here it is positive. So that minus sign will be cancelled from LHS and RHS. Now this sin 2y is in product in LHS, so it will be shifted to RHS. Then this term will become denominator of RHS. So the result is dy by dx is equal to sin 2x upon sin 2y. This is our aim, and thanks for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible.